Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am so glad you're here. Today I have 9 cards and 5 new die cut sheets for you. Cute die cut sheets that are perfect for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So here are the first 4 die cut sheets. They are by Find It, Yvonne's Creation, and called Rose Decorations. And don't they look like Valentine's Day? So pretty. So let's take a closer look. The first die cut sheet here has a beautiful flower stand. It's got a pretty shed all decorated with flowers. And then down here another one. So each of these sheets have 3 embellishments. So there is number 1. Up here is number 2, number 3, and all the additional layers that you can pop on with the double-sided foam pads to make the toppers dimensional. But look how wonderful the artwork is on those toppers. The next one in the same line, we have this cute camper here. Look how pretty. This would be also great for, anyone who has a camper, just to send them your love. Look at this one here. So cute, this vintage card. And then at the bottom, this is my favorite. We have the Volkswagen bus. Look how cute that is. Next, we have the bouquets, beautiful flower bouquets here coming out of an envelope. And then down here, a decorated gift. So pretty, beautiful flowers. And I like that this red also has a little bit of blue in there. So it gives a beautiful contrast also here, this gift. And then the fourth one in this line, we have beautiful old suitcases filled with the roses, suitcases and a summer hat. And then down here, more suitcases, small ones. So pretty. So let's see my cards that I have created with these. I'm going to start with the suitcases, and here is my first card. And I used the new papers that I have. I introduced them last week. There are actually 4 new paper pads, 6x6, really quick. There is the vintage Valentines. There is this beautiful lace and pearls paper, and roses and more roses. So these papers, so for this one, I used this paper pack, but I used the other ones as well, and I will link them below. So just beautiful paper for our Valentine's Day cards. I did not add sentiments to all of my cards because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. If I keep my cards, it's always good to have them blank because I don't know what the occasion will be. But, cards will also be up for sale under my bulk card sales. So I will link them below. So if you're interested in my cards, you can buy them in value packs from me. Okay, but let's just take a look. How beautiful is this arrangement, all layered up. I added stickles. Here I just used 2 different papers. And then the border is this gorgeous heart border. And that's a sticker. Here you can see it. Here's my sticker sheet. It also comes in gold. This one here's the silver one. Again, I mentioned it before. It has the vertical and the horizontally oriented hearts. So you can do it this way, but you can also do it sideways. So I added a doily here. Punched out a heart, and of course the paper here is also part of, just a leftover scrap, and then a couple of butterflies finishes this card. And I think this is so cute. It could also be just a, with love card or for a birthday. On my next card, I also used these new tags that I have in my shop. This is just a sheet of 10 beautiful Valentine's Day tags, and they're non-adhesive, but they're die cut. And I just grabbed a couple and I layered them on my doily here, and then here is my beautiful suitcases and the summer hat. And then this little bow was gifted to me last year, and I used it on this card. So yeah, this pack is available currently. And then I also have the doily packs available in two different versions. So there is the doilies that come in heart shape. So let me show you. So here are a couple. Look how beautiful they are. And these are heart shaped, and this is beautiful thicker paper, and the laser cut is really delicate. Also, if you sometimes don't like or it doesn't fit your design, when you turn it around, look at this. This is also absolutely gorgeous. So if you don't care for the colors or for the design, then just use it like that. So these are available, but also there are doilies that are round, and same thing, you know, here I used a round doily, but I used the white side, and look how beautiful this pops up here as this lacy background. And then of course a couple of stickles and then two pearls finishes that second card. And then number 3 from the same die cut sheet is right here. Here I have used the beautiful rose papers from one of the packs, and really just one doily, one of those tags, and then here is my arrangement of vintage suitcases with the beautiful roses, stickles, and a couple of butterflies from this is a little punch I have, and I use all my metallic and glitter scraps when I punch out these butterflies, and they add so much to my card. I also made cards with this beautiful die cut sheet with the bouquets, and here is my first card. And all I did here is again let the paper speak. I punched out a foil heart with my I didn't punch it out, I die cut it with my die. And then I added a Happy Valentine's Day, which is a sticker from a sticker sheet, to another die cut little, you know, what do you call it, like a banner piece. And that's all there is. So it is all layered up. And I used a pink card blank. And here is this card. I think it's so simple, but it's cute. Next, I have this beautiful bouquet here, and with that I just added it to a card blank from Michaels. I bought these last year. After Valentine's Day they had them on sale, and they're just basically these card blanks with a white inside and then this beautiful red border with the little hearts. Other than that, that card is white. And here I have just offset a couple of pieces of background. Here is a metallic red background, a little bit that was left from that beautiful rose paper, and then these cute hearts here come from a sticker sheet that has these puffed hearts, and I will link it below so that you can find it, but let me see if I can find it for you. So here they are. This is just a small sticker sheet. It is by Jen Hatfield, and it has these epoxy stickers. There are 2 sheets in here. We got the hearts in different sizes, stars, and then these cute little stars here. So yeah, cute little stickers, and here you can see how they look on my card. And then for my last one from this sheet, I again used a card blank from Michaels that I've had for many years. They used to have these cards as you know, packs. I don't know, I think there were like 25 in there, but you know, I still had them sitting around. And here I just created a background with a piece of metallic cardstock, a piece of heart lollipops that I had in my stash. I stamped my love with love and then punched out a little heart. And then, of course, here is this gorgeous, beautiful gift all decorated. And I think the stickles in the end really make it pop. Then I have one more die cut sheet, and this is called the Romantic Birds. And I thought this is perfect for Valentine's Day because you have two birds here, so a pair, one up here sitting in these fruit tree blossoms here within the heart, and then at the bottom there is another heart, and look how cute they are. So I made 3 more Valentine's Day cards with this gorgeous die cut sheet. The first one is right here. This is the same card as I have used here, only I covered up the white background with some foil cardstock that I put through my embossing folder. I have the one with those little hearts, and I think this just is perfect for the embellishment. I added one of the doilies. Again, I used the back side where you have to see the white, and then here's this gorgeous heart. I added some of these little epoxy hearts and of course stickles, and there is my first card. So simple, but I think cute for Valentine's Day. For card number 2, I just did the same again. I used one of the heart doilies again, the white side, because it gives it a better pop here with my colors. I added again the borders here. This one is the gold heart border sticker. 2 different pieces of cardstock that I had in my stash, and then the embellishment. The With Love is from an old hunky-dory left over from one of my Christmas card making supplies, and then you can see all the different layers. Yeah, and all you need to do is just layer it with foam pads to get this effect. For my last card, I made a little slightly bigger card because I wanted to use these pretty papers. They're almost sold out. The blue is already gone, but I still have a couple of the pink ones left. And look how gorgeous they look when you just put them together on a card. It gives it an instant vintage look. These are gorgeous papers. I created an envelope. I have a die that makes these envelopes with the paper from the 6x6 paper pack. And then, of course, here sits my bird couple in the, I don't know, maybe this is apple blossom. And I think it came out so cute. Inside, there's just a writing panel, so I wanted to add a little bit more to it. But this is basically the card, and I used these wonderful papers. Here are the 9 cards I have created for today's video, a full beautiful bouquet of Valentine's Day greetings. I had a lot of fun making these cards because the die cut sheets are so pretty. And I will make a pack of these cards up for grabs. This will be in a value pack, so you can check it out on my website if you like them. But other than that, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I appreciate your time. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and maybe share this video with your crafty friends and family. I'll really appreciate your support. So thank you so much. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.